In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of Salesforce versus HubSpot versus Zoho, 3 of the most widely talked about CRM platforms, so you can understand how they compare, what makes each one unique, and which might suit your business or workflow best. Salesforce is the enterprise-grade CRM that many large organizations rely on. It's built to handle complex processes, deep customization, and multi-team collaboration at scale. When you log into Salesforce, you're greeted with a powerful dashboard that shows leads, opportunities, pipelines, and performance metrics across your organization. The biggest strength of Salesforce is the level of control it gives you. You can define custom objects, create detailed automation, set up approval flows, and build sophisticated reports tailored to virtually any business model. This makes it ideal for medium to large teams, global sales organizations, or businesses with complex workflows that need precision and visibility. The trade-offs are often cost and complexity. Implementation usually requires planning or even professional support, and smaller teams can feel overwhelmed or burdened with features they may never use. HubSpot takes a different approach. It's known for being very user-friendly, particularly for sales and marketing teams that want a CRM that just works without heavy training or technical setup. You can store contacts, track deals, log email interactions, and visualize your pipeline in a clear, intuitive interface. One of the biggest advantages of HubSpot is that it offers a generous free tier that includes key CRM basics, so small businesses or startups can get started without paying upfront. As your needs grow, you can add marketing automation, sales tools, customer service features, and analytics, all within the same ecosystem. The result is a CRM that feels approachable and quick to adopt, even for users who aren't technical. However, as you upgrade into more advanced tiers, pricing can escalate, and the platform can still feel limited in deep customization compared with Salesforce. Zoho CRM strikes a balance between the two. It offers a broad set of features at a competitive price, making it attractive for small to medium businesses that want more capability than basic CRM systems, but without the cost or complexity of enterprise tools. In Zoho, you get contact and deal management, workflows, automation, email integration, reporting, and even extensions into customer support, finance, and other business areas within the larger Zoho ecosystem. This wide feature set, combined with flexible pricing, makes Zoho a strong option for teams that want capability without enterprise sticker shock. The downside is that the interface can feel less polished than HubSpot's, and some users report that advanced automations or customizations take a bit more configuration effort than expected. It's powerful, but you may need time to unlock its full potential. So how do these terms differ in real-world use? With Salesforce, you're getting maximum power, scale, and customization. It's ideal for organizations that need detailed automation, complex reporting, multi-department workflows, and a CRM that can grow with a large or fast-moving business. This comes with a learning curve and higher cost, but for teams that need those capabilities, it's a reliable choice. HubSpot offers simplicity and ease of use, combined with a robust feature set for sales and marketing teams. It's particularly strong if you want to get up and running quickly, rely on a user-friendly interface, and integrate your CRM with marketing tools without a steep learning curve. It's a top pick for small to medium teams, startups, or sales professionals looking for a straightforward experience. Zoho sits between them, feature depth and affordability. It gives you more capability than basic systems at a lower cost than enterprise solutions, making it a solid choice for small and growing businesses that want flexibility without extreme complexity. If you are comfortable with a bit of setup and configuration, Zoho delivers great value. All three platforms have strengths depending on your needs: Salesforce for scale and enterprise features, HubSpot for ease of adoption and marketing integration, and Zoho for broad features at accessible pricing. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Salesforce, HubSpot, or Zoho, or are considering switching to one of them. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.